Hey internet. So after several hours grinding and rubbing down and wire brushing, I think we're about ready for the to go with the engine again. Paint should be here shortly. Good morning internet. Very quick one this morning. It's 10 to 8 in the morning. I've got to work today, unfortunately, so I'm just going to get this done really quickly. Got some, didn't arrive till late yesterday afternoon, so couldn't get it done yesterday. So I'm just going to get some engine black on the engine, and then I'll have to crack on with doing some work. But yeah, hopefully this Simoniz gloss engine black, so I won't have to clear coat it afterwards, or put that high temperature lacquer on it afterwards. Hopefully this will be fine, and I can crack on and get it fitted. Okay, here we go. Hey internet, so as promised, just a really short one today because I'm working and well, as soon as I finish this video, it's now 10 past 8 in the morning, so yeah, I'm really pleased with that now. Again, the engine looks spectacular, really pleased. No signs of any reaction so far, so hopefully that's all good. Haven't used all of the tin obviously, so if I have missed any through rushing a bit this morning, then I should have some to top up with. But yeah, that's it for today. These things happen, you've got to expect that there'll be some issues along the way with doing these old bikes, and thankfully it didn't take me long to rectify this. So yeah, all looking good. We'll check back on it at lunchtime just to see if the zero reaction is still the same, but other than that I'm really pleased with it. It probably looks better than it did before, so with the the brush on engine enamel, so yeah, really pleased with that. Working for the rest of this week, so probably the weekend before I see you again. Thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, click thumbs up if you're liking the videos, and I'll see you at the weekend. Thanks very much internet, bye. Thank you.